Which metal is used in mobile phone battery? The correct answer is option D, lithium. Which metal is present in human blood? The correct answer is option A, iron. Electric bulb filament is made up of which element? The correct answer is option C, tungsten. Which of the following animal can cause rabies? The correct answer is option C, bat. Which element does bleaching powder contains? The correct answer is option A, chlorine. Which blood group is known as universal donors group? The correct answer is option B, O negative. What is the resolution of the human eye? The correct answer is option A, 576 megapixels. Bauxite is an ore of which element? The correct answer is option A, aluminum. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? The correct answer is option B, barometer. Which gas is filled in the balloons? The correct answer is option C, helium. Hepatitis affects which organ of the human body? The correct answer is option C, liver. Why the Earth is having its own atmosphere? The correct answer is option B, gravity. One of the best solutions to get rid of non-biodegradable waste is? The correct answer is option B, recycling. What is the percentage of nitrogen in urea? The correct answer is option B, 46%. Which of the following gases has the highest solubility in water? The correct answer is option D, ammonia. Which acid is found in grapes? The correct answer is option A, tartaric acid. Which gas is responsible for the ripening of fruits? The correct answer is option C, ethylene. Which vitamin is mostly found in carrots? The correct answer is option A, vitamin A. The energy flowing in the telephone line is in the form of. The correct answer is option B, electrical energy. Which planet has the most carbon dioxide gas in its atmosphere? The correct answer is option A, Venus. The scientific study of human heart is called as. The correct answer is option C, cardiology. In eye donation, which part of the donor's eye is utilized? The correct answer is option B, cornea. Which animal's fingerprint is similar to the human's? The correct answer is option B, koalas. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of which fruit? The correct answer is option C, mango. How many bones are there in human skull? The correct answer is option A, 22 bones. The material used for safety from nuclear radiation is. The correct answer is option C, lead. Which of the following is responsible for giving color to human skin? The correct answer is option C, melanin. When gas is turned into a liquid, that process is called as. The correct answer is option D, condensation. For how many years does the human brain continue to grow? The correct answer is option C, 25 years. What is the scientific name of national animal tiger? Tell me the answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel for latest videos.